Want to check the real battery health of your iPhone? Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guided video, and we basically check our iPhone battery health by going to the settings and then battery health and charging, and you'll get to see the maximum capacity. But sometimes this is not the actual battery health of your iPhone. So now to check your real battery health, let us start the video, guys. Well, so now to get your real battery health, first thing first, open up the Safari browser from your device and then search for battery shortcut. And once you have searched for battery shortcut, simply go ahead and tap on the first website right from here and then scroll down, and he'll get to see the battery states shortcut. You just need to tap on this option and it will redirect you to your shortcut application. So you just need to add this shortcut to your shortcut application. He'll get to see this has been added. Now pretty much good to go. Just get back from here and then open up the settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down and tap on privacy and security. And from here scroll down to the bottom and you just need to tap on analytics and improvements. You just need to tap on this one and tap on analytics data. And from the list, you just need to find out the recent date. So this is my recent date right from here. I'm going to tap on this one and I'm going to tap on this share button. And you just need to find out the shortcut that you have recently added. He'll get to see the battery state. So I'm going to tap on this one and it'll take a little time. And it's going to quickly show you the real battery health of your iPhone. And here it's going to show you all the details about your battery, the real capacity and others, cycle count and everything. And this is how you actually can check the real battery health of your iPhone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.